Hi friends, welcome to the part 9. I hope you have already visited part 7 and 8, which is there in the members area. There are so many contents being posted regularly on AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, Snowflake, Tableau, Click, Power BI, and so on. So stay tuned, stay focused, help us bring subscriptions. Plus, this will help you with getting daily alerts. This is the YouTube handle. You can look out for shorts, videos. There are 600 plus videos. No other channel posts so regularly like this channel does. Let us jump into these questions now. See, what are the two examples of a date value? See, a date cannot be just December and Wednesday. Okay, the date has to have a DD, date, month, year, date, month, year, date, month, year. Okay, if you don't have these three elements, it is not a date field. Simple. That is the reason B and C are totally wrong. Now we have to choose two answers. A and D are our answer. Why? Because they have, see, January. What is January? January is a month. What is one? One is a date. What is 1995? It is a year. So this is correct. What is 2020? That is a year. What is 05? Month. 01? Year. Sorry, day. So this is also correct. Let us look at the next question. Friends, part 7 and 8 are in the members area for Cloud Kernel, Cloud Ninja members. Please go ahead and take the memberships and view those contents. What are the two characteristics of relationships? This is a beautiful article which says how relationships differ from joins. They are more dynamic. It is flexible. You don't have to give the join types like inner join, outer join. You don't have to do that. It does not create a Venn diagram. See, since now we are looking for characteristics of relationship, first says relationship will query every table in the data model regardless of, no, this is purely long. It will only query what you are trying to use in your visualization. That is why B is correct. Okay, then your C is wrong because it works with live connection, it works with extract. D is correct because it is automatically aware, it is context aware. So if I see the requirements for using relationships, it never says that it will work only with extracts. Okay, it never says that. You can pause this, read this part carefully for more information. Another thing that is important, relationships are context aware. That means during analysis, Tableau joint, it automatically selects the joint types. It automatically detects the data, automatically detecting the data and saying I should use inner join or I should use outer join. This is what happens, man. So that is why D is correct. So these are our two answers. Let us look at the next one. See, when you are creating a data source, okay, when you are creating a data source, so the data sources, Tableau, you can provide the connection information, customization, cleanup, and etc. There are various set of data sources that can be connected. That is very important to understand. And as a best practice, you should try to connect to the data source, try to use an extract and etc. Okay, this is about data. So what about data source? When you are trying to create it, how can you add additional connections to different databases? You have to use connections pane, man, and you can select. We try to do a quick connect and connect to the server. Similar to that, you have connection panes where you can choose the database and add, and hence this would be the right answer. So we are not talking about selecting a new database. We are talking about adding a new database, a new data source. Okay, and we are not talking about editing an existing connection. For example, one connection was already talking to Oracle. Now you are editing it to talk to DB2. This is not required. If you are not, click the subscribe button, please click it. This will help you stay tuned to the latest certification contents on AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Tableau, Power BI, ClickView, and so on. Plus Snowflake. Parts 7 and 8 are for Cloud Kernel and Cloud Ninja members. If you have not become a member, use the link in the description, click it, become a member. If you have less money, go for Cloud Kernel. If you have more money, you want content for advanced certifications, go for Cloud Ninja. This brings us to the end of this part. Focus on the concept. Stay tuned.